Hey there, guys, welcome to our channel. I'm very excited to introduce you to my feathered friends. This little guy over here is Mango. We call him Raptor because of his unique personality. Then over there we have Speedy. He looks cute, but he's always indulged in his favorite activity, that is eating. He loves to eat a lot. He's a true foodie. But today's video is all about Mango and his extraordinary personality. So you can see here how he is involved with this thread and doing, I think, some kind of exercise and gymming process is going on. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the world of Mango. Oh, did I mention that the word potty karo is the first word Mango learned during his potty training? So he's not just any parrot, he's incredibly smart. So, if you are fascinated as I am, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Lots of love from Mango and Speedy.